Ano to? Chapsuy. Kailangan pakita mo. Pakita mo. Chapsuy complement of kit. Ito kayo naman ito. And chicken. Chicken salad. Chicken macaroni salad complements of chuchay. The birthday girl. Fish. Mayonesa. Compliments of Cesar and Linda. Lengua champignon, compliments of me, Dame. Lechon, compliments of Monching.
Wow!
Roast beef, compliments of Melly. Menudo, compliments of Mong.
The most beautiful one.
The most beautiful.
The most beautiful and the most success.
Pancit Canton, compliments of Marlene.
Yeah, Marlene.
And Sarsa, compliment of the chicken. Compliment of the chicken. And the rice, compliment of Doña Caridad. Teka muna. The salad, compliments of Ate. Ubus na.
Butas yung pinggan.
Ano pa? Other donations?
Mami. Take home. Compliments. Auntie Mami.
Hindi, nalilibig lang yan.
Sabi ng mami mo, may oven daw.
Okay. Ano? Tama yan. Nag-set ka na nga. Ice cream.
Ice cream courtesy of?
Care of Paul and Florence.
Wow.
Mga blanco pa. 4 gallons of ice cream. And compliments of Donna again. And the mga blanco.